हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो अभी हम और एक वीडियो पे रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो का टाइटल बेसिकली है कि वाई साउथ इज़ केप्ट अवे फ्रॉम हिंदी। तो बेसिकली इंडिया में जो नॉर्थ इंडिया साउथ इंडिया है, साउथ इंडिया में थोड़ा मतलब हिंदी बात करना या हिंदी के बारे में पढ़ना एक अलग सेंटिमेंट की तरह लिया जाता है। क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हो, क्यों हिंदी चाहिए, ऐसे वैसे। तो मैं खुद भी साउथ इंडियन हूँ, लेकिन मुझे अच्छी तरह से हिंदी आता है। हमारे हमारे जो मैं कर्नाटक से हूँ और कर्नाटक में नॉर्थ कर्नाटक से हूँ, तो उधर उतना लोग बुरा नहीं मानते हिंदी सीखने के लिए। और मैं मेरे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स भी रहे नॉर्थ इंडिया से, तो मुझे अच्छा खासा हिंदी आता है। बट लेट्स सी कि पहले वीडियो देखते हैं, फिर हम बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो, 1 2 3।
People are reaching out to me that they want string channel in their own language. That means mother tongue. Wonderful. But why? English is the international language. The next commonly spoken language is Hindi. Then why are you asking for a channel in your own language? You know what kind of replies I get? I want to show you videos to my family members and they don't understand English or Hindi. Bro, you're making videos for North Indians. Why don't you make videos for South Indians? North Indians, they mean Hindi, but South Indians, what do you mean? Malayalam? Can all of you South Indians understand? Okay, Telugu? Can all of you understand? You tell me in which language should I make video for all South Indians together? The South has merely 4 to 5 states, but we are so divided that we cannot even communicate with each other in one common language. You tell me which language? Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu. No, my mother tongue. Proud. If I make a video in Hindi, entire North will understand it. Do you think Hindi is their mother tongue? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Odisha, UP, Bihar, Bengal, you name any state, they have their own mother tongue. Different from other languages, not at all Hindi. A single state, Bihar, has 5 different dialects. Northeast India has so many dialects and tribal languages. But still, Hindi is so commonly used among all of them that the very expression North India means Hindi. South India means? First of all, what is South India and what is North India? Why have we become so divided? We are one nation. We refer to southern part of Bharat and northern part of Bharat geographically. Let's not divide it as North India and South India. Yes, we speak multiple languages, but let's have one common language. Now there is a fight. Let's make Tamil common, let's make Kannada common, and then Telugu people will stand up. To settle this issue, the state governments have to transfer all their funds invested in the well-being of farmers and poor people to settle this language dispute. After all learning a language, if you watch few Hindi movies and engage yourself with Hindi speaking friends, effortlessly you'll be speaking in Hindi in just 10 to 15 days. So is the case with any language. It's more of a personal interest. How insane to make it a political issue. When you are social, at least 3-4 languages is a must. You cannot enforce your language on others, nor do you boycott any language. But there are people from South who are opposing Hindi. Why don't you get lost into a forest or a mountain? Who asked you to be social? Tribals have no language disputes. Okay, now, why are they opposing Hindi? They are not opposing English. Why? Your grandparents came from England, is it? Because your politicians are not teaching you that. It doesn't fit in their political agenda. They brainwashing you saying that Britishers are our grandparents. They are the ones who did social reform activities, saving women and uplifting the whole nation. I will make a separate video on busting this myth of what Britishers actually did to Indians. Anyways, the issue is mostly speaking English is not against your culture, but speaking Hindi, our Hindi which is born here, is against your culture. What nonsense is this? At least northern part of India is united by one language. I can make a video in Hindi and all the states will listen. Their parents and grandparents understand. Everybody can understand. But in the south, 5 states cannot come together to select one common language. Tell me which common language should I use to talk to a person staying in a remote village in Tamil Nadu and also in Andhra or Karnataka? Should I use English with them? Me being a South Indian cannot communicate with another South Indian from a different state unless I know their language. Why did we end up like this? All this is because of our own mentality that we want to boycott other languages. Then come stupid arguments from people that I love my language, I don't want my language to die. My language is the oldest speaking language. All kinds of things. But you don't understand. What if everybody bashed their chest and come on roads fighting for their own mother tongue? Yeah, Telugu people are also saying it's the oldest and directly coming from Sanskrit. But everybody is missing the fundamental that who is asking you to stop using your mother tongue completely? You love your mother tongue, but respect other languages, especially if you're social. Learn a common language which is largely spoken in the country. There ends the fight. That's all. See, Modi ji is a Gujarati. Tell me how many people will understand if he starts giving all the speeches in Gujarati? Not even other states will understand. Okay, now let me come to the actual point. You know why you people in South India are kept away from Hindi? Listen to me carefully. Let us take the example of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Most of these people watch local news channels which are in the control of the state governments. They can easily manipulate people and spread propaganda. Also, most of the poor class cannot understand Hindi. Why I'm again and again insisting about Hindi is because all the major news channels are in Hindi. Republic Bharat, Z News, NDTV, all of them are in Hindi. Now the educated class knows only English. But the problem is, they have been fed only propaganda and hate from their childhood through books, local channels, and politicians. So when they start watching national news channels, they'll watch only fake news channels like NDTV. They will idealize idiots like Barkha Dutt and Rajdeep Sardesai. Listen to these politicians and their comments.
All right, so is this really a Hindi Tamil debate or something more than meets the eye?
This is how they create a divide amongst the countrymen. We are so ignorant about each other that it has become so easy to divide us. Once I saw a video where people were fighting whether it's Kannada or Kannada. People from North India should understand that it is pronounced as Kannada. But is it that big a problem that Kannadigas have to make a video on that? In the south we say Rama, in the north they say Ram. Same devotion but different expression. So what will you guys do next? Fight with each other whether Ram or Rama? When you start talking on these petty issues and make it look like a big issue, then you are creating a divide. You tell me, every morning which song have I listened to in most of the temples all across South India? I'm sure the song is Sri Venkateshwar Suprabhatam, sung by M.S. Subbalaxmi.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते.
The song is in Sanskrit. If we write it down, then can we South Indians read it? Especially people from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, can you read it? Because it's in Devanagari script. But we can understand most of the words and the meanings because most of the Sanskrit words are there in all the southern languages. Telugu people don't even feel the difference because most of the pronunciations in Telugu are equal to Sanskrit. And the northern states have kept the Devanagari script itself for the formation of Hindi language. Anyways, do you feel nice living a life like this fighting for your own languages? Don't you want to create a peaceful society? Dear friends, it's time to unite. If you want to understand what's written in your scriptures, if you want to know the glory of our past, if you want to know about the magnificent temples, we have to learn Sanskrit. At least for us to stay connected, we have to learn one common language. Above all, don't you ever utter the word boycott on any language in particular. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall.
चलिए ख़त्म हो गया. 100% I agree with the person. We need to understand or we need to learn languages. There is no problem. आप अपना लैंग्वेज भूल जाओगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इन होम आई स्पीक कन्नड़ा, सो देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि आप हिंदी को सीख लेंगे तो दूसरा भूल जाएंगे, ऐसे कुछ नहीं. ये बेसिकली मुझे लगता है कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं एग्री करता हूँ कि बेसिकली जो नेशनल नैरेटिव है उसको थोड़ा आप पीछे रखने के लिए ये सब करते हैं. लेकिन अभी थोड़ा रीजनल चैनल्स में भी आ रहा है, नेशनल नैरेटिव आ रहा है कि मतलब थ्रू आउट द कंट्री क्या चल रहा है वो रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में भी आ रहा है. अच्छे चैनल्स भी आ रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली अच्छे चैनल्स ना इन द सेंस प्रो गवर्नमेंट बात करने वाले नहीं, लेकिन जो सच है वो बताने वाले, जो ट्रूथ है वो जर्नलिज्म करने वाले. नहीं तो मैं देखता हूँ कन्नड़ा में भी न्यूज़ चैनल्स है जहाँ पे मतलब यहाँ पे एक कुत्ता मर गया, यहाँ पे बहुत ही सिली न्यूज़ दिखाते रहते हैं. और कुछ भी उनका कभी कभी दूर तक मतलब कंट्री के नैरेटिव या जो कंट्री का वो टुगेदरनेस है वो दिखाने का कभी मैं देखा नहीं ज़्यादा. बट हाउएवर मेरे स्कूल में तो संस्कृत सब्जेक्ट भी था. मैंने नहीं सीखा लेकिन संस्कृत एक ऑप्शन था. तो जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि नॉर्थ इंडिया में मैक्सिमम उनको कनेक्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि इवन दो नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी उनके अलग अलग स्टेट का अलग अलग लैंग्वेज है, फिर भी वो लोग हिंदी समझ जाते हैं. तो वो एक कनेक्शन बन जाता है। तो मे बी समथिंग लाइक दैट, और कुछ तो कॉमन होना चाहिए। ऐसे नहीं कि तुम किसी लैंग्वेज को हेट करो, क्योंकि वो भी इंडिया का ही है, हम इंडियंस है, सारे इंडियंस है। मेरे को तो ये साउथ इंडियन, नॉर्थ इंडियन, ये शब्द से भी मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है। तो मैं तो कहीं पे भी जाता हूँ, मैं किसी को ये नहीं पूछता कि तुम नॉर्थ से हो, साउथ से हो, वेस्ट से हो, ईस्ट से हो। मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है। अगर मुझे भी कोई पूछा तो, अब पूछते हैं बहुत सारे लोग, लेकिन अब क्या कर सकते हैं। सो वी शुड नॉट बी डिवाइडेड, वी नीड टू बी यूनाइटेड. Let me know your viewpoint. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks.